Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I ordered from jewelrysupply.com. Somebody, I think, posted on my Facebook group that they were having a really big sale. So I checked it out. I think it was Deanna. I'm not sure though. And I went and placed an order. They were having a really good sale. I don't remember what I bought. So I kind of was just like looking at the really good deals. I didn't really, of course, I never really need anything, but here is the name. Anyway, here's the card, jewelrysupply.com, and they give you a coupon code if you order so you can place a second order. There doesn't look like there's a packing slip in here, and I don't have mine available, but I mean, this stuff, I think I paid maybe 20 to 25 bucks for this stuff, max, because I don't remember how much it was. So the first thing, and the SKUs are on here, so you could probably search by that. I think this is wood, but it doesn't say what the material is. So yeah, this is wood. I'm going to open it. That's not how I'm going to store it anyway. This is really cool. It's got a person painted on it, like a queen. Very neat, and it's gold and brown. It's pretty neat. And maybe that might be some kind of husk, like coconut or something, now that I'm looking at it. That's pretty cool. Very neat. Love it. Okay, so I'll put that to the side. I did get some seed beads. If you know me, I don't really go for seed beads, but I did get these because they're in colors that I'll actually use for spacers. So these are 11-Ohs, Miyukis, and I'm not going to open them because they will be everywhere. So this doesn't these are in Japanese, so it doesn't really see the color, but DB84 I'm guessing is the SKU. If not, it's that one. This one's like a AB color, turquoise, teal. Here's a regular turquoise with another AB coating. It's a little bit brighter. Yeah, this is DB79. This is also 11-Oh. And I must have gotten two. Yeah, well, no. This is DB60. So what's the difference here? This one's just slightly greener. Just slightly. And I mean, these had to have been $2 or less because I wouldn't have spent a lot of money on seed beads, especially small ones. So these are just going to be nice little spacers eventually. I really like that color, and I usually get if I see something on sale, any variation of that color, if it's seed beads or any other color beads. Okay, so next we have PD6444 Starfish Pendant, 37mm in pewter. Very cute. I don't have a starfish that looks like that I can think of. I love it. Very pretty. Next we have, I'm just pulling out things in random. Oh, I bought 3 of these. Ghana Chevron glass beads, 5 to 6mm, and 10 pieces. So I think these were under $1 for 10 pieces. So I bought 3 of them. These are African glass beads. They are gorgeous. Love these. And they'll be nice accent beads on some African jewelry, or African inspired jewelry, I should say. So I got 3 of those because I knew 10 pieces wasn't going to be enough for me. I also got 2 of these, and I don't remember how much they were. 5 each pair beads, 8 by 11mm oval. 5 pieces. So let's take a look at these. I did like that they had some African brass and metal and glass too. These are really pretty. I love those. And they're very lightweight, very lightweight. Okay, next we have cow skull bead, 14mm pewter, sold by each. So I paid, I don't know what I remember what I paid, but when I buy beads by the bead, unless there's something really special, I won't spend a lot of money on them. But these are really cute. They're gonna go. I have started a Southwest box to keep all my Southwestern stuff in. I love those. Next, I have a Ghana mask pendant, 1. I think I bought 2 of these, but different sizes. At least I thought they were different sizes. It's a cute little face guy. I will definitely be making a mold of this before I use it in anything else, because I want to use this with polymer clay. And the cool, oh, I was going to say the cool thing is I can make a double-sided mold, but the features aren't that pronounced on the back. However, you can make a double-sided mold if you make a mold and then fill it in and use this again. So I love it. Love this little guy. And this, I think, was under $2, which is absolutely crazy. Starfish Charm 22 millimeter pewter. I'm gonna have to look this up because this doesn't look like something I would have bought, and it doesn't look like a starfish. Like, does that look like a starfish? No. I'm gonna have to look that up because maybe I did buy it, but it doesn't look like something I'd buy, especially if it says Starfish Charm 22 millimeter. I'm gonna have to go through and look that up on their site. Here are some Starfish Charms, a 12 millimeter pewter and an 18 millimeter pewter. So this one is in silver and this one is in gold. You can kind of see them there. I'm not going to open those. Love this guy. And I just have a couple more things. We have another face mask. This one is smaller. Same guy, just a little smaller. He's cute. Ooh, I like there's some patina on that guy too. A little different. His mouth's a little open. His eyes are a little bit more open. This one has a little bit more character because it's got the patina on him. Love it. And then last but certainly not least is this little lizard. Little lizard pendant. This is super cute. Love it. Adorable. So definitely very me. I didn't want, they had a lot of like regular stuff too, but I wanted to get stuff that I don't see everywhere, or, you know, stuff that had really good sales on it. And I'm pretty pleased with this order. Like I said, I'm going to double check on this because I almost think that they put the wrong charm in here, but who knows? But thank you so much for watching. Check out jewelrysupply.com. I had a good experience with them. Have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's adorable. Have a good one. Bye-bye.